ja šarmikas kategoorias nagu igavesti noored. Meie teie ette astub meie stuudio, tantsuga meeleheitel koduperenaised. Ja ilmselt näete te ka laval selle tantsu autorit, igavesti noort, kuid siiski tänasest aasta vanemat, Andre Laine.
Tonight I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive, and the world I'm turning inside out. Yeah. I'm floating around in ecstasy, so don't stop me now. Flying into the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car, passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, 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 there's no stopping me. I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, just why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Good time, I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me now. I'm having a good time. Don't stop me now. I'm having a good time. I don't wanna stop at all.
Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Let it rain. Let me talk to you. Come on.
Meie stuudio ja igavesti noored.
ja täpselt nii noorena hoiabki tantsimine